Hey everyone, and welcome to ChineseSkill Unit 31. In this unit, we're going to introduce a few new basic verbs and grammar structures used when talking about clothing. So let's get started. Imagine you're getting ready to go meet some friends and you're deciding what you want to wear. To express wear in Chinese, we actually need to learn two verbs, 穿 and 戴. Both mean to wear, but 穿 is commonly used with clothing, while 戴 is usually used with accessories. For example, 穿袜子 means to wear socks, and 戴帽子 means to wear a hat. So if you decided to wear a shirt today, you could say 我今天穿衬衫。我今天穿衬衫. I'm gonna wear a shirt today. So how would you say I like to wear hats? 我喜欢戴帽子。我喜欢戴帽子. I like to wear hats. Good job. Taking this one step further, to actually express the action of putting on something, we can use 穿上 and 戴上. However, these are typically used to form polite commands, and when making suggestions, we just have to add 吧 at the end of the sentence. So imagine it's really cold outside, and you want to politely suggest to your friend to put on a coat. You could say 今天很冷，穿上外套吧。今天很冷，穿上外套吧. Which means it's cold today. You should put on a coat. So how would you say to someone, it's snowing today? You should put some gloves on. 今天下雪，戴上手套吧。今天下雪，戴上手套吧. It's snowing today. Put on your gloves. Good. Now that we know how to say wear and put on clothing, let's look at the verb used to express take off. Literally opposite to 穿上 and 戴上 for put on, 脱掉 means to take off and can be used with both clothes and accessories. For example, 脱掉袜子 means to take off your socks, and 脱掉帽子 means to take off your hat. Similar to 穿上 and 戴上, 脱掉 is also commonly used imperatively, with 吧 at the end to make simple suggestions. So imagine you just had a friend arrive at your house, and it's really cold outside. As they start to come in, how could you say, it's warm inside, you should take off your coat. 里面很热，脱掉外套吧。里面很热，脱掉外套吧. It's warm inside. You should take off your coat. Good job. Lastly, I want to expand a little bit on the usage of the word 很. As an adverb, 很 means very and can be placed before a psychological verb, such as 喜欢, to like, and 想, to want. For example, if you recently bought a pair of shoes that you really like, you can say 我很喜欢这双鞋。我很喜欢这双鞋. I really like this pair of shoes. 围巾 is the word for scarf. So how would you say, I really don't like wearing scarves? 我很不喜欢戴围巾。我很不喜欢戴围巾. I really don't like to wear scarves. Good. And finally, something that I'd really like to do, 我很想回中国. I really want to go back to China. Bye bye.